Progress.
Hello everyone, today we're gonna to install Penguin Pen Node. Here is the English manual. We'll see our requirements, OS requirements, operation system, software preparation for before install, and install and run Node, and then we go to upload the file and check it in Penguin blockchain. So let's continue.
Progress.
So we have Ubuntu server operation system. We are connected to the server using terminal. We are going to create necessary folders. We already installed Git, Screen, and other software which we need. Let's go to the create the folders like this. You just need to copy paste command. It's pretty easy. It's no any technical skills on it. Of course, every command should be successful. If you see some errors, of course you need to solve it before go forward. And now we are downloading binary pen file. Also add permissions onto it, and then we also need to check where we are located, and if it's correct, we can run screen command. Just a minute, let's copy it. And we need to set up password, confirm password, press OK. So we need to fill up our balance. It says in section fill up and not wallet. And now I suggest to open the web GUI Penguin, and as we see, it's going to install to open. When you first run, you see it couldn't connect to Pen Node because of by default it IP address of localhost, not external node, and we should, in accordance with our instruction, to change the IP to IP address of our server with installing Pen Node, or we can use the defaults demo servers. Now we use defaults and we see all is connected, all is work. Then we gonna to upload some file and click tab upload and drag and drop some file. When it's uploaded, it shows us notification that file successfully added, and after it we need to click upload button, and it sends and it will upload. It have been uploaded to the Penguin node, and we see our hash of our file, and now we can check where is it in blockchain. You just need to put the hash, click the search button, and you open the address with our file. So here you are. Thank you for watching. We'll see you later. Bye bye.